Yo, what's good, producers? It's your boy Mikasa here, and in this video, I want to share with this Fire AI website, which is called AWA. Uh, I'll guys leave you the link in the description, so you guys check it by yourself. And yeah, this website will generate you free. Of course, you have some like a plans that you can pay, of course, but it's generating you the full tracks. You just have to tell him, right? We will create the track later, but now let's check out the main buttons here, okay? So this one is the home, of course. As you can guys see, I generated a few songs. We got styles and influences. I don't even know what is this. We have editor here. Let's see. Oh yeah. So in this editor, you can basically edit uh, the chords that AI generate you. For example, I have these chords here, and I can just play it. I guess I can maybe maybe change this one to here. But let's just see if this will work. Oh, of course, we have in real time, we have to download the application. Okay, never mind. Let's just switch it back here. Okay, I see. You need to download the application. So I didn't know they have the application here. So I think it's even more awesome. Of course, I think you have even the effects that you can apply, which is really crazy. Like it's some kind like a it's like a DAW online, like a software online, which is super cool. I'll guys leave it to you so you can guys check it out, by yourself, see what's going on here. So I don't want to spoil everything. Okay, we have here style designer. We can generate some styles. I didn't catch up this 100%, but we can create some styles here. Yeah, we can. I think we can get make some kind of a templates or something like that. Maybe let's go excited. And yeah, we can generate some cool sounds here from this style. But we will generate the song by using this main button. We got achievements here. We got radio. Now, for this radio, I'm not sure if this is generated by AI or maybe some random stations. I'm not sure. But yeah, you can guys check out some of these radio styles here. RPG, ambient, cyberpunk, hype hop and stuff. You gotta check it out. Billing. Oh no, so this is I'm using the free plan here. But you can guys, maybe if you want to focus on this one 100%, you can definitely check out what they have to offer. Copyright out there. Oh, we have like a copyright owned by you if you are on pro monthly. 300 downloads per month, download all file formats, high quality WAV files, which is super crazy. Of course, you can guys start first with the free plan, see, see meet the application, right? See how it's working and stuff. You see updates here. We can check out their updates, notifications and stuff. They have Discord, they have tutorials, and they have the application. So I didn't download the application, so this is basically online website. Okay, guys, now it's time to create the track here. We're about to do it from scratch, of course. So let's click create track here. Just one sec. Okay, let's go. I don't know, let's go from the style. I think okay, it's cool. So guys, we can see what is a most popular what are the most popular tracks. Obviously it's lo-fi hip-hop. I guess people are making automated lo-fi hip-hop channels. I'm not sure if this is 100% like a legit is this like a 100% working. I'm not sure, guys, you can guys check it by yourself, if this is really actually working. To be honest, I didn't check it out. I'm making lo-fi beats by myself, using loops, making my own loops and stuff like that. Okay, so for now, let's maybe go with the old school rap here. We can of course go here from chord progression, influence, and presets. Let's go with the chord. Oh, we can start with the chords first. Influence. Oh, I think he can upload some kind of we can upload the MIDI files or audio file, and he will generate something like that. So we're about to check that as well. So let's go first with the styles. Let's go with the old school rap. Okay, we got a key here. Let's go with the I know. Let's go with the minor, any minor scale. Let's go with the I don't know, 30 seconds to 1 minute and one composition, only one. And let's just click create the track. Okay, So as you can guys see, the website didn't need that much information. Probably we have to like adjust these template styles, and then we are about to dig more into the details. But now I just like I went through these compositions, to this like a genre. Now it's creating, so it's already generated 100 BPM here, got the bars here, got everything. So let's hear the song here. Okay, this is kind of weird. I don't know, this lead seems like a very weird for me. I'm not sure guys what you think about this. The drums and the like a pads or like this main melody was kind of okay. Like they got these like old school some kind of drums, but I don't know. Let's just give it one more test here. Let's go with the composition here. Let's go with the style again. Let's go with the. Let's go now. Let's try now to upload the reference here, okay, and then we can see what they got to offer. So I got some loops here. Let's go this one, loops. Okay, I got tons of loops here. So need you. Okay, let's give it something with the vocals. Okay, let's just automate everything for now. Okay, this are 80% accurate, so we only recommend to specify key signature if you are sure about it. Okay, let's just automate it. Oh, at least one 60 seconds long. I don't have anything 60 seconds long. So guys, make sure guys to check it out by yourself. Like maybe even upload the song or the full beat. I don't know. But yeah, let's maybe make one more track here. Maybe trap. Usually, the most popular genre, I guess. Let's go with the any. Let's automate everything here. Let's just 30 seconds enough. Create a track, and as you can guys hear, it's creating here. I think you can also edit your account if you want, but I don't want to spoil you guys. I just showed you guys the main buttons here. I didn't check it like a 100% what it actually does. Okay, we got the new track. Let's check it out. Okay, melodies are kind of weird. I mean, it's actually cool, right? Okay, we get that. We got some kind of an intro. I don't know, guys, what you guys think. I will really need, guys, to give some feedback about this. For example, what I heard so far, I don't know. I'm not feeling it like 100%. It's like a game changer or something like that. But maybe it can help us. Maybe, I don't know, give some directions or something like that. But I'm not sure, guys. I'll just leave it, guys, to you to maybe make some compositions here and like check it out, see if it's actually working. Will this like actually make better based on the actual producers? Who knows? But yeah, that's gonna be it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't worry to don't forget to check this website here, and I'm about to see you in the next video. Peace, you all.